Start your day with a big smile. Good morning, everyone. Children, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Children, which date is today? Today is 3rd May and day is Monday. Today we have our maths class. Okay, in maths we are going to do pre-number concept of big and small. And now we are going to learn the concept of big and small. Okay, and I will show you some real objects and you have to tell me that which one is small and which one is big. Okay, मैं आपको कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिखाऊंगी, उसमें से बताना है आपको कि कौन सा बड़ा है और कौन सा छोटा है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो टेल मी दैट व्हाट इज दिस. ये क्या है? यस, यू ऑल आर करेक्ट. दिस इज सीजर. बोथ आर सीजर्स. ये दोनों क्या है? ये सीजर्स हैं, राइट. सो टेल मी दैट विच वन इज बिग. कौन सा बड़ा है? यस, यू ऑल आर करेक्ट. दिस वन इज बिग. ये क्या है? दिस इज बिग सीजर एंड दिस इज स्मॉल सीजर, राइट. दिस इज बिग सीजर and this is small scissor. So children, have you understood that which one is big and which one is small? This is small and this is big. Okay, now I will show you some other objects. So children, what are these? ये क्या है? These are jars. ये क्या है? jar हैं. Okay, so children, now tell me that which one is big jar and which one is a small jar. Which one is big and which one is small? Tell me children. Yes, you all are correct. This is big, right? This jar is big and this jar is small. ये jar big है और ये jar small है. Okay, now next. Children, what are these? What are these? These are spoons. Yes, you all are correct. What are these? These are spoons. So, children, now help me to find out that which one is big and which one is small. मेरी help करो. Think and tell. Think and tell. You all are intelligent, है ना? आप सब इंटेलिजेंट हो, तो सोच के बताओ कि कौन सा बिग एंड कौन सा स्मॉल है. अभी हमने इसके पहले किया है ना. Yes, you all are correct. This spoon is big, this spoon is big and this spoon is small. This is small. Okay, now other objects. Children, what are these? These are bowls. What are these? These are bowls. है ना? ये क्या है? Bowls हैं, right? आपके मम्मा के पास ये bowls होंगे. हम लोग इसमें क्या करते हैं? सर्व करते हैं ना? खाना सर्व करते हैं. So now children, tell me that which bowl is small and which bowl is big. Think and tell. Think and tell. कौन सा big and कौन सा small है? Think and tell. Yes, you all are correct. This is big bowl. ये big bowl है and this is small bowl. Okay, this is a big bowl and this is a small bowl. Understood children? Now other objects. What are these children? What are these? These are plates. These are plates, है ना? प्लेट में हम क्या करते हैं? इस प्लेट में हम क्या करते हैं? We eat food. हम क्या करते हैं? हम खाना खाते हैं, right? So, children, now tell me that which plate is big and which plate is small. Tell me. Yes, you all are correct. आप सबने तो सारे आंसर्स करेक्ट बताए हैं. So, this plate is big. ये जो प्लेट है वो big है, right? And this one is small. This one is small. This plate is big and this plate is small. So children, now have you all understood what is the concept of big and small? आप सबको समझ में आया ना, है ना? So अभी हम क्या करेंगे? we will do this with some pictures. We will do this with some pictures also, okay? The lion is big and the mouse is small. The bus is big and the car is small. The bird is big and the butterfly is small. Children, now this is activity time. Activity. Children, now we are going to do sorting activity. हम क्या करने वाले? Sorting activity. Children, what is this? This is a bowl. What is this? This is a bowl and there are different things in the bowl. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं bowl में. What we have to do? We have to sort the big things and small things. Big things को अलग and small things को अलग. Okay, so are you all ready? Yes, say yes teacher, I am ready. Okay, let's start. So children, tell me, is this spoon big or small? Tell me children. Yes, this spoon is big. This spoon is big. And this spoon is small. So यहाँ ये small में आ जाएगा. Okay. So children, now tell me that is this a big glass or small glass? Tell me, is this a big glass or small glass? Yes, you all are correct. This is a big glass. So ये किस में आ जाएगा? Big में आएगा. Okay. And now tell me, is this a small or big? ये बड़ा है कि छोटा है? Yes, you all are correct. This is small. This is small glass. Children, now tell me, which triangle is big and which triangle is small? Which triangle is big and which triangle is small? This one is small, right? This one is small. This one is small. This is small. And this triangle is big. ये triangle क्या है? Big है, बड़ा है ना? So ये कहाँ पे आ जाएगा? Big में आ जाएगा. Right? So now tell me that which one is big and which one is small? This is circle na? Both are circles. So which circle is big and which circle is small? Yes, you all are correct. This is big circle. This is big circle. So it will come in this. This is big. ये इसमें आ जाएगा ना? Big में आएगा. And this is small. So this will come in small. ये small में आ जाएगा. Small circle. So children, now tell me that which rectangle is small and which rectangle is big? कौन सा rectangle छोटा है, कौन सा rectangle बड़ा है? Yes, you all are correct. This is small rectangle and this is big rectangle, है ना? ये small rectangle है and this is big rectangle. So this will come in big. Okay, ये जो rectangle है big में आ जाएगा and this rectangle will come in small. Okay, so now tell me which one is small scissor and which one is big scissor? Tell me children, which one is small and which one is big? Yes, this is small scissor. So this will come in, कहाँ पे आएगा? इधर आएगा ना? इधर आ गया small में. Okay, and this is big scissor. So ये यहाँ पे आ गया. So children, this is how we have completed our sorting activity. Yes, we all have completed our sorting activity. So children, what you have to do? आपको क्या करना है? You also have to do this sorting activity. Okay, आपको भी ये sorting activity करनी है. Okay, whatever things are available in your house, collect it and then you have to sort. उसको collect करना है, उसके बाद आपको sorting activity करनी है. Okay children? You have to also make a video and send it on the WhatsApp group. Children, thank you and bye bye.